After finishing this activity, you'll be able to use the AutoSum button in Excel worksheet. Sum data. One of the main uses for Excel is to organize and manipulate numerical data. Often, you may wish to add up all the numbers in a column or row. Excel has formulas and commands to automatically add your data. And the easiest way to use this feature is the AutoSum button. Using the AutoSum button. Once your numbers are organized in either a row or column, here I have two columns of November sales and December sales, click on the cell where you would like the total sum to display. Here, I want the sum of November sales to be displayed in cell A37. Click on the AutoSum button in the editing group of the ribbon. Excel will automatically highlight the cells that are adding up and will apply the sum formula. It is summing from cell A32 to A36. Hit the Enter button on your keyboard to accept the highlighted cells and see the total value of your data. The total is 8,450. Another way to use the AutoSum button on your numerical data is by selecting the cells that you want to add up. Here I will select the cells from B32 to B36. Click on the AutoSum button in the editing group and the total will appear. Note that the AutoSum option can be found in two areas. It is contained in the editing group of the ribbon or can be also found under the Formulas tab.